In this section, we're going to start working on getting your development environment set up. So the first thing I want to talk about is Java. Now, a prerequisite for this course was that you had some prior Java and Spring Boot development. So I'm not going to get into how to install Java and configure it on your system. I think by now, all of you should be at that point. And I don't want to just bore you with stuff that we already have set up. So what I do want to make sure, though, is that we're on the same page here. I'm using Java 8, and more specifically, Java-version. I'm using Java version 1.8.0_131. So just so we're all on the same page, you might as well use the same. So Java 8 there, and I just want to talk about another little tool real quick. And if you know me at all, you know I'm a huge fan of SDK Man. It's a software development kit manager for managing parallel versions of SDKs. And in the past, we used it for things like Rails and Groovy and Spring Boot and different things. But if you weren't aware, you can actually use it to install and manage Java SDKs, which is really cool. So let's pop back to the terminal. And I'm just going to go in here and say SDK list Java. And as you can see, I'm currently on the 8U131 noted by the caret here. But there are instances where I'm playing with Java 9 right now, trying to learn all the new features. And I can easily switch back and forth between them. When a new version of Java 9 comes out, I can easily install it. And it just, again, it's a great tool for managing different versions of your SDKs. So definitely check out SDK Man, but I just wanted to make this short lesson so that we are all on the same page using Java 8 for this course. And with that, let's go ahead and move on.